Yale Real Living Touchscreen Deadbolt Programming. Advanced Lock Settings. Automatic Relock. Touch the screen with the back of your hand or fingers to activate. For this example, we have set the master PIN code to 1234. Enter master PIN code 1234 followed by the pound key to enter the main menu. In menu mode, select 3 for Advanced Lock Settings followed by the pound key.
Press 1 for auto relock. Press 2 for inside indicator light. Press 3 for one-touch locking.
In this example, we are setting auto relock.
Press 5 for handing the lock.
We will press 1 followed by the pound key to select auto relock.